We zijn hier bij Pure Ingredients op onze locatie in Venlo.
We're here at Pure Ingredients in Venlo, one of our 3 production locations. We began as Mecca Food back in 1993. Today, Mecca Food is one of our key brands under the Pure Ingredients umbrella. We also have the Herrenhof brand for the German market and Lekker & Anders for the Dutch market. Mecca Food is our brand for the international delicatessen market across Europe. In Venlo, we produce pizzas and other dough-based products, particularly doner kebab pizzas and Turkish pizzas. Then there's our Kaldenkirchen site just over the border near Venlo. That's where we produce burgers, as well as frikadellen, Dutch meatballs and similar products. In Belveld, we make chicken nuggets and Dutch specialities such as frikadellen and kipcorn, Goujon-style chicken nuggets. Until 2020, we used a mixture of industrial trucks for our internal logistics. Going forward, we wanted to focus on a single brand, 2 at the most. Following an intensive test phase with the first EFG 216, we opted for Jungheinrich for reasons of user-friendliness and overall operating costs. The service is good and the sales department works extremely hard. We have dealings with 3 Jungheinrich branches in Germany, the Netherlands and Belgium. All 3 exude a general, Europe-wide Jungheinrich philosophy. All 3 countries deliver service at a consistently high level. In Venlo, we had a forklift truck that was used for 90 minutes a day at most. At the time, I asked the sales rep about obtaining a good used truck from Jungheinrich. He pointed out to me the option of procuring a Jungheinrich EFG BB216K. Color, Jungheinrich yellow. Service, Jungheinrich. The operators are really happy with both products. Since then, we have bought a second forklift truck, this time in Germany. And the German truck operator is also very happy with the truck. In summary, we and Jungheinrich just clicked. Not least because of the sales reps, who gave us good advice. But also thanks to the after-sales service team. If something happens, we give them a call. They come the same day or within 24 hours at most. Even on weekends. That goes without saying at Jungheinrich. We will need to replace an entire series of trucks over the next few years. The way things are looking, we will be sticking with Jungheinrich.